children, good morning. Hope you all have enjoyed the short mini vacation. I am Nancy D'Souza and today we will be learning about general awareness. In that, we will be talking about the topic safety on road.
Road safety.
So kids, do you know what is safety? Safety means staying away from harm. Let's see how we can stay safe on the roads. First point, always walk on the footpath. We should walk on the footpath or keep to the edge of the road away from the traffic. Next, cross the road at a zebra crossing. We should cross the road using zebra crossing only when the vehicles are stopped. Third, look towards your right and the left and then again right while crossing the road. Which means before using the zebra crossing, you have to look on both the sides only when the road is clear with no vehicles moving. You cross the road. Next, wear a seat belt while riding in a car. This means when you are going for a drive in daddy's car, buckle up for safety belt for a safe ride. These were some safety rules we shall follow. Now, let's see certain points we should not do to be safe on road.
Do not hide behind vehicles. Do not play on the road. Do not run behind a vehicle.
Do not stick your head or hand out of a moving vehicle. Further, we shall see about the traffic signal. Have you seen these three colors blinking on the road? Yes, these are traffic lights. When the light is yellow, the vehicle slows down. When it is red, it stops, while when it is green, the vehicle moves on. Red light says stop, yellow means wait, and green light says go. If you remember all of these rules, you will always remain safe on road. Now, let's check out this worksheet. It says, look at the pictures and cross mark the pictures that do not show safety on road. You have to cross mark in that small box given there on the images which does not show safety on road. Since you all have heard the session carefully, this worksheet will not be difficult for you all. I shall be back with the solution in the next session. Take care, children. See you soon.